Sangrongsalo Narsinghgarh TIT College Salnwi Tripura NCC Chengjakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Yakromwi Manjakha Education Department Special Secretary Raval Hemendra Kumar North Eastern Region NCC Directorate Deputy Director General Brigadier Singh Group Commander Brigadier Anand Singh Akosong.
By customary lighting of the lamp.
Asli Pandawa Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Thangi Shogui Kahun Kino Guard of Honor Rubai Bonolamjok Shogui Naharka NCC Cadet Rock Abuni Aglono Chati Kathar Musangai Pandra Chengshoi Raka Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Panda Sengsangmani Yaglo Kok Sanani Thangi Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Shaka NCC Cadet Rock Ni Shamong Humung Belai Nangkok Mani National Cadet Corps Ongkha Hana Hamzago Shamong Klaimani Abuni Bagu School de College ni Shimino Training is Safe Sab Rosago Tongo Hane. Abahikino Tripura o NCC Fest ni Bishingti Lukorok Kaham Shurong Manani Ongtongani Shaka. Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha.
Today, as we stand here on the 4th December, we are not just celebrating a festival. We are celebrating the spirit of discipline, what I've said already. The spirit of unity. And the spirit of service and defines the National Cadet Corps. Seeing the sea of khaki and the bright faces of our youth assembled here, I am reassured that the future of Tripura is in safe hands and capable hands. The National Cadet Corps, that is NCC, was established in India on July 5th, 1948 under the NCC Act. Its footprint in Tripura has grown steadily over the decades. NCC is not merely an organization, it is a movement. It is the largest uniformed youth organization in the world. Historically, NCC events were strictly regimental, focusing primarily on drill and weaponry. But Tripura NCC Fest represents an evolution of these traditional formats. Tripura NCC Fest 2025 stands as a landmark celebration of youth, discipline, and national service in the state of Tripura. It serves as a vibrant platform to showcase the potential of Tripura's cadets. It bridges the gap between the uniformed services and the civil society of Tripura, allowing the public to witness the grooming of their youth. The core aim of Tripura NCC Fest 2025 aligns with the NCC's motto of unity and discipline, but with specific actionable objectives for this region. This event will serve as a homecoming and allowing successful cadets to mentor current batches for creating a cycle of inspiration and guidance. Tripura being a disaster-prone region, as you know, the fest highlights the recent training of cadets as first respondent, that is, Aptamidro, under the National Disaster Management Authority initiative, validating their new role in state safety. In this era of rapid technological change and global challenges, the character of a nation is defined by the character of its youth. When you wear this uniform, you rise above caste, creed, religion, and community.
Asli Pandawa Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha Karebo Manjakha Education Department Special Secretary Raval Hemendra Kumar North Eastern Region NCC Directorate Deputy Director General Brigadier Singh Group Commander Brigadier Anand Singh Akosong Aba Haikino NCC ni officer stroke no Kobe NCC Cadet Rogu Manjakha
good afternoon to everyone present here. We need a big round of applause.
Laza Khorang Nishu Program Nikok Thum Chini Khorang.